Hi guys, welcome to Only Man's Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover chapter pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10th, key points, that is sixth one, graphical method of finding solution of pair of linear equations, that is third type, coincident lines. So example of coincident lines. Consider two equations guys. I consider x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now what are the conditions to become pair of linear equations as a coincident lines? What is a condition to become lines are coincident? Okay, if the coefficient of equation 1 is equal to coefficient of 2, the coefficient of y coefficient is same as second equation, and the constant term same, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If all are same, then we can say the given lines are coincident lines. Okay, the lines are coincident lines. For this coincident lines we get many solutions guys. We get many solutions. We get infinite number of common points. We get infinite number of common points. Okay, so take down the equation 1 and convert into y equal to mx plus c format and prepare table for that. Take down second equation, convert into y equal to mx plus c format where m is the slope and constant term is called y intercept. Prepare table for that. Take down any values, okay, and simplify and write the ordered pair. Okay, these points will be plotted on the graph paper. Okay, now verification purpose. Now solving for x and y. So what is your first equation? X plus y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So even in this also we are getting x value as 0 and y value as 0 and constant is same. Okay, if constant is differ, we call it as parallel lines, right, in the previous video. If constant also same, then we can say that the lines are coincident. We get infinite number of unique points. We get infinite number of solutions. For intersecting lines we get single solution. For parallel lines we don't get any solution. For coincident lines we get infinitely many solutions, infinitely many unique solutions. Okay, let's see the graph. See, coincident means what? One upon the other. I plotted points on the graph paper. This is a line 1 and on the same line we get one more line. So if you take any values we get the same guys. If the condition is satisfying, the given line satisfying the coincident lines, then we get graph like this only. Whatever values if you take, okay, it will meet in all the points. Therefore we get infinitely many solutions because each and every point of line 1 is meeting to every point of the second line, right? Therefore we get infinitely many solutions. Okay, now see, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.